If your gimbal shakes, vibrates, or drains battery fast, your balance is wrong. Today, I'll show you how to perfectly balance the Canon C50 with the 2470 f2.8 on the DJI RS4. Step by step. This works for any heavy cine setup. Step 1. Prepare your setup. Insert the battery and memory card, remove the lens cap, set zoom to your most used focal length, example 24, 35, and always balance in the focal length you use most. Step 2. Forward backward. Unlock the tilt axis. If your camera falls forward, slide it back. If it falls backward, slide it forward. Goal: the camera stays still in any angle. Test at 45 degrees. If it stays, or you're good. Step 3. The roll axis left and right. Unlock the roll axis. If it's lens left or right, adjust the side arm. When it stays centered, then lock. Step 4. The pan axis. Tilt the gimbal 45 degrees if the camera swings. Adjust the pan axis. When it stays still, perfect balance. Step 5. The Auto Motor Tune. Now, power on the RS4 and the Run Auto Tune. Recommended motor strength, medium or high. Payload mode, match your weight. Correct tuning, smooth footage, and longer battery life. That's how you perfectly balance a Canon C50 with 2470 f2.8 on the DJI RS4. If this helped you, like and subscribe. More pro setups coming.